What's up, everybody? Today I'm out at Joshua Tree National Park in California. Flies. First, I figured I'd set up camp. I stayed at the Black Rock Campground in the northwest corner of Joshua Tree National Park. It was pretty cheap to stay there, and it has all your facilities and was well maintained. As always, it's a good idea to make a reservation before you go, especially on weekends and the busy season, and you can do that on the National Park Service website. It was super cool getting to camp at the base of one of the Joshua trees. These trees are the true stars of this park. From their bayonet-shaped evergreen leaves to their trunks made of thousands of small fibers, these Southwest natives live on average to about 500 years old and are definitely worth the trip to experience in person. Once I got everything into the tent, the air mattress firm, and the lights clipped into place, it was time to go check out some of the art that this area is so famous for. And boy, did this place not disappoint. Located down a dirt road and out in the middle of the desert, the Noah Purifoy Outdoor Desert Art Museum was truly a sight to behold. Admittedly, it kinda gave off a Texas Chainsaw Massacre vibe at first, but once you get out amongst the structures, you forget all about that and are transported into the crazy world created by this visionary artist. It was an amazing experience, and one I would highly recommend if you ever get a chance. But I'll stop talking for now and let you enjoy just a few of the sights from this incredible place. After the art, it was time to do some light off-roading in the Accent to go check out some of this nature stuff we'd heard so much about. What's up, everybody? Today I'm out at Joshua Tree National Park in California and just got in, set up camp, and I'm just going to do a quick 1.3 mile loop. It's a little hot out, it's upper 80s. That's why I got the full pack and all my water and everything, because you know the sun is out in full effect. But check out this otherworldly landscape. Look at these trees. These Joshua trees are so gorgeous. It really feels like a whole other planet. Well, this guy makes me feel at home. I mean, I guess as much as a cholla can make you feel at home, right? Finding a lot of this banded metamorphic rock. Nice schist, one of those. There's a lot of it. Oh look, cacti blooming. Very pretty. Wow, look at this little dude. Oh man, that is gorgeous. Not even sure, I mean it looks like a cholla, but the bees are just loving this thing. Huh. Notice the creosote out here is really flowering like crazy. Driving in, it's a lot of beautiful yellow flowers lining the roads. Just gorgeous. You can see some mallow up there with the orange flowers. Trying to do this kind of quick because I realized I don't have any sunscreen on, and like I said, it is pretty hot right now, but this is a real short hike and I already did the uphill, so just cruising around. Look at this guy. Wow, some real beautiful plants out here, that's for sure. Keep seeing these rocks with all these lovely bands, and I'm just thinking to myself, one day I'm going to remember to research an area before I go there. But I don't know, maybe that'll take the thrill of discovery out. Oh, look at that. Those almost look like walls up there. Huh. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Wow, so check that out. You got your one snow-covered peak, and then the big boy over here, two snow-covered peaks, and here I am sweating in the desert. And check out these rocks. Look at those bands. Wow. Yeah, look at that. There's all your quartz in there. So these would all be, if they're banded like that. Wow, look at that. That is gorgeous. But if they're banded like that, they're probably gneiss or schist, some sort of metamorphic rock, smushed and heated up way underground and then pushed up to the surface, or eroded down, or the surface was eroded down to it over, millions of years. And it looks like we got the peak, because this thing's here. What is this thing? Oh, you write notes and stuff. Okay. That's very funny because I wasn't reading the notes, but the first line on one of the pages I saw said I'm going to quit my job. I guess that's a sort of realization you can have when you're out here on the trail, huh? Like, I don't like work, and I don't think I'm going back. Look at that glorious dude. Let me see if I can find him for you here. Right here. Look at that, man, that stalk coming up with all the flowers. Dang, that is gorgeous. Oh, there's a smaller version of it. That dude. But man, look at that big boy. Oh, that's so cool. It looks like these trunks are probably old from Joshua trees. Like all these trunks you're seeing, because I don't recognize that from all my hikes in the Superstition Mountains area or the Phoenix area. So it's got to be the remnants of the Joshua trees, the yucca trees. Yo, got a close-up look at this thing. Oh man, that is just absolutely the coolest. Oh, look at all the mallow over there. And that lovely grass there. I was thinking to myself because, I got to meet up with some old friends. And, we were up a little late last night, and I was thinking, well, maybe I'll just sleep in tomorrow and have some coffee at the campsite, some breakfast, and then pack up and leave. But instead of waking up early and going hiking, but, looking around at all the crazy plants and the landscape. Yeah, I'm getting up and hiking tomorrow. I think we'll do a 6-mile hike in the morning before we leave, but man, yeah, this is gorgeous. I hope you're enjoying it as much as I am. Look at this, young Joshua trees. Looks like there's some more down here, right next to an older one. Some more smaller ones. And over there, you're getting a little bigger. You got your almost tree size, or I guess that is tree size. Nice ones over there. And we're back to the Hyundai Accent. That thing, oh man, that thing is taking me places it should never go as a small sedan, but loving it. Oh, look at that, quail. Oddly, I didn't know they were out here. Gamble quail. Look at that. Gamble's quail. What's up, guys? Yeah, I know. I know. I'm all up in your business. Bye. Get out of here. Alright, let's go sit in the hot tent for a while. After the hike, it was back to the campsite to have some dinner, watch a gorgeous sunset. And then into the tent for some shut-eye before the big hike the next morning. Nothing like that sound. Good night.